What is a criminal procedure? Criminal procedure is the method prescribed by law for the apprehension and prosecutions of persons accused of any criminal offense and for their punishment in case of conviction. Number two, what are the difference between criminal law and criminal procedure? Criminal law defines crimes and prescribes punishment, outlining what constitutes a criminal offense and the corresponding penalties. Number three, what is jurisdiction? So jurisdiction uh, refers refers to the authority of a court or government agency to hear and decides cases, make rulings, or take actions within a specific geographic area or over certain types of cases. So number four, what is jurisdiction over subject matter? Explain and give an example. Jurisdiction over subject matter refers to a court's authority to hear and decide cases based on the type of issues or claim involved. For example, a family court has jurisdiction over subject matter related to divorce, child custody on support, while a bankrupt court has jurisdiction over cases involving insolvency and debt restructuring. So number five, what what is jurisdiction over the territory? Explain and give an example. Jurisdiction over territory refers to a court's or government authority is typically determined by the territory boundaries such as country, state, or municipality. Uh, for example,